Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Divya. In today's video, I am here with some simple interest basic questions. In previous videos, I already explained what is simple interest, how to calculate it and what are important formulas of simple interest. If you have not seen that video, I will put a link in the description box to watch that video. Before solving these questions, first try to watch that video and learn about simple interest so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now, we will move on to the today's question, which is simple interest questions. So the first question is, what would be the simple interest accrued in 5 years on principal rupees 18,000 at the rate of 15% per annum? First understand the question. In the question, time given is 5 years. You should always check that duration of the time given in years or not. Here it is given in years. Principal 18,000, rate of interest 15%. Now we have to find the simple interest. Simple interest formula we learned, which is PRT divided by 100. P is 18,000 multiply R, which is 15%, into T 5 divided by 100. Here 0 gets cancelled. 5 15s are 75. 75 multiply 180, which is 13,500 rupees. It is simple interest. 13,500 rupees is the simple interest on a given principal amount 18,000. Now the next question is, Kavya deposited amount of rupees 65,000 to obtain simple interest at 11% per annum for 2 years. What will be the total amount Kavya will get at the end of 2 years? Here deposited amount will be called as P, which is 65,000. Rate of interest given 11%, time 2 years. Now what will be the total amount Kavya will get after 2 years? It means total amount equals to principal plus interest. Simple interest. Principal is given 65,000. Simple interest is not given. So we have to find the simple interest. Simple interest formula is PRT divided by 100. P is 65,000. Rate of interest 11%. Multiply 2, which is time divided by 100. 0 gets cancelled. Remaining 650 multiply 11 multiply 2. 2 11s are 22. 22 multiply 650 will be 14,300 rupees. It is the simple interest amount. Now we have to find the total amount. Total amount equals to P plus SI. Principal amount is 65,000 plus 14,300. 79,300 rupees is the total amount that Kavya will get after 2 years. Now the third question is, Mr. A takes loan from Mr. B for 4 years at the rate of interest 10% per annum. After 4 years, he pays rupees 4,000 to Mr. B as a simple interest. Mr. A pays rupees 4,000 to Mr. B as a simple interest. Find the loan amount. Here loan amount will be called as P, which is not given. Rate of interest 10%, time 4 years, simple interest 4,000. Now find the P. P formula is simple interest into 100 divided by RT. Simple interest is 4,000 multiply 100 divided by 4 into 10, which is R and T. The total amount will be 10,000. 10,000 rupees is the loan amount that Mr. A takes loan from Mr. B. Mr. A takes loan from Mr. B. Next question is, which is last question, find the difference in the total amount and the principal of rupees 5,000 at the rate of 5% annually in 2 years. We have to find the difference between total amount and principal. We know the formula of amount, which is principal plus simple interest, amount minus P, which is simple interest. It is the difference between amount and principal amount, which is the simple interest. So that in short we have to find the simple interest. Simple interest formula is PRT divided by 100. P is 5,000, multiply 5 into 2 divided by 100. 0 gets cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 10 50s are 500 rupees. 500 rupees is the difference between amount and principal amount, which is simple interest. I hope you have understand how to solve the simple interest questions. If you have any doubt, please put a comment in the comment box so that I can clarify your doubts. If you find my video helpful and if you think you are learning from this channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.